All right, there's a car here that we're gonna go and see that I was told to meet here. It's an iconic car of the 80s. I've never featured one of these before on the channel, and I think you're gonna like it. It's rarely out, and as soon as you see it, you're gonna know what it is, but you probably never looked close at one of these, so we're gonna get a chance to look close at one of these. Remember, if you like this kind of thing, please remember to subscribe, like, put any comments down you have. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, so this is a Lamborghini Countach, and we'll take a look at it. So most people don't realize when you have one of these cars that this is the only window that moves. So good luck trying to get French fries or a soda through here. There is a rear window that's in here. It's really, really small. It's right there. You can see the rear window right through here. It's only about 3 to 4 inches tall. It really can't see anything when you're driving. And then it's only got the single windshield wiper here. And this is your storage area right here. This will open up, and it's really, really small. Here's your light doors that open up. Oh, it's a 5-seat. Is this yours?
Yep.
So what's your name? I'm Sean. I'm with Junkyards and Barn Finds.
Niels.
Hey, Neil. I was just talking about the car a little bit because I know a little bit about it. What's this, an 86, 84?
88.
88,
Well,
okay.
it's a conflict of interest. It's built in 87, supposedly in 88. I like to call it 87.
Okay. I was telling people how it's got a very small window in there,
Yeah.
which really isn't usable for anything. And then all the glass on these cars is flat.
No, it's not flat.
It's not?
All the glass is curved. Little bit, slightly. If you look at that from the side, it has slight curves to it.
Because when I've talked to people that built them, they said that it's really almost
Just
flat.
look at it from the side. If you make something flat, it's going to look like it's the other way around. You can't.
Okay, so it is a little, so it's a little concave, but
I'm a
it's...
designer by trade.
Oh, okay.
You can never make anything flat. If you make it flat, it looks like it's sagging. You can't
Okay,
do that.
so they are a little
Yeah,
concave.
if you look at it from the side here,
Okay.
it's got about an inch or so. About an inch or so curve in it.
Oh, okay.
Because
Yeah,
when you see there, you can't see the other side. So
Right.
that's-
Okay. And how long have you had the car?
Since 2006.
Okay.
So 16 years.
And the V12 in it?
Yeah. So this car is the Quattro al Vol, which is the 4-valve engine, which came out in 85 for Europe first with carburetors only.
Okay.
Then, of course, they get bought by Chrysler and all that. So to adopt to US emission, they had to make a fuel-injected car. So Bosch and Lamborghini got together and they came up with a really cool injection system. So they were a little bit behind on the horsepower because of the US emission with the catalytic converters and so on and so forth. They had big US bumpers, DOT bumpers. But everybody now convert the car back to the original look. And the fuel-injected motor is actually a really good engine. If you put headers, take the cats off, you have the same power as a car. But it's a better engine for everyday driving, and they're not as temperamental. They start easier, and you start to see that in the values now. You know, the carb cars were way ahead, but now everything is catching up. You know?
And this does not have the wing on it.
It had. I took them off.
Oh, you took them off.
It had a front wing and a rear
front
wing.
wing, right?
Yeah, front and rear. I don't like wings on street cars. I think it looks silly.
I mean, if you're not on the track, there's really not going to get the downforce.
And this car was never a track car. Was never intended to be. In fact, it's faster without the wing than it is with the wing.
Okay.
So the wing was purely a cosmetic thing of the early 80s.
Just for aesthetics.
Yeah,
back
just for
then.
aesthetics. And some people love it. More people like it than not. I don't. I like it. I think I love this original clean shape of the Countach of the original periscopal cars.
Right.
Before they had these fenders put on.
And now, this came with the came with the wing and the body kit that came with.
Lamborghini never installed the wings at the factory because of regulations in Italy.
Right.
They were installed across the street.
Okay.
They were not allowed to put them because they were never homologated in Italy. So the wing wasn't. You could order it through the dealer, but the factory did not install it.
Okay. But these were installed.
Yeah, after 1978, they changed from the LP400, which was the original clean design without these. Everything changed to LP400S. And S had the big fenders. So everything after 78 and up had big fenders, like this.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it, sir.
Did you film me now?
Yeah.
Stick it on there.
Huh?
Yep.
It is.
Yep,
I'm going to do one.
Awesome.
So, can you open a door so I can see the inside? Yeah, Is that the Alpine? These came with Alpine stereo?
That is not the original one because the guy I bought the car from had that taken out, but I did buy an older Alpine, but the original one looked as an
Because I remember, I'm a kid of the 80s. I'm 56, so in the 80s. And Alpine, every Alpine poster had a Lamborghini Countach on it with the Alpine
and that's how, that was the big thing for Alpine. And
I think that's what sold them, right?
Yeah, a guy I know in New Orleans, he has 2 Countaches. One of his cars are one of the original Alpine cars.
Oh wow.
That's pretty cool.
Wow. Now these cars, for me, I've sat in them before, and actually while they look small, I'm 6'2", I could fit in this okay. I mean, I've been in these before. Yeah, I was saying I've ridden in them before, and I'm 6'2", 270, and I've never, the driving, the pedals are too small for my feet.
You gotta realize
Huh?
You gotta wear these type of shoes.
April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.